Welcome back to my channel. Have you also saved your system or mobile password and then forgotten it, and now you want to see it again or edit it? Well, you're in the right place. Because today I'm going to show you how you can save your passwords and then check or edit them using a password manager. So without wasting any more time, let's head straight into the video. Welcome to my channel, Technichio. I'll take you to my browser, and from here, I'll access my internet router. Now I'll enter the username and password here, and as soon as I hit enter, the browser will automatically give me the option to save the password or not. I'll choose the save option here. But if you don't want to save a password for a particular website and don't want the browser to ask again in the future, you can click Never. This way, the browser won't prompt you to save the password for that site again. Now, the browser will notify me that this password has been saved on the device. If I want to save it to my account, I'll need to log in. That way, the passwords will always be stored in my account, and I can access them from anywhere. But for now, I just want to save it on this device, so I'll close this prompt. Now, I'll take you all to the Saved Passwords section. To do this, we'll go to the browser's settings, then click on Auto Fill in Passwords, and select Google Password Manager. This will open a new tab where you'll find all your saved passwords. As you can see, the password I just saved is also listed here. If I click to open it, the browser will first ask for my system PIN for security. This ensures no unauthorized person can access my passwords. After entering the PIN, all the details of the saved password will be displayed, including the username, website, password, and any notes. From here, you can copy the password, view it, if hidden, or even edit it if needed. Now, let me show you how to add a new password for a website. For example, if I try to add a password for this website, it will give me an error because a password already exists for it. So, I'll first delete the old password, then copy the router's URL and add a new password. I'll paste the URL in the site field, enter admin as the username, and type in the new password. If you want to add a note for reference, you can do that too, like I've added a note here for my router. After saving, if I refresh the website to test it, the saved password will appear. When I select it, the login will be successful, confirming that the password I added is correct and working. This way, we can save passwords for any website and later view or edit them as needed. In the next video, I will tell you all about mobile, meaning how you can check saved passwords on your phone and even edit them if you want. So don't miss my next video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technichio, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. Together, let's end tech tantrums. Thank you.